हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। श्रीशुक उवाच एकदा गृहदासीषु यशोदानन्दकेहिनी कर्मान्तरनियुक्तासु निर्ममन्त्रस्वयं दधी यानि यानिह गीतानि तद्बालचरितानि दधि निर्मन्थने काले स्मरन्ति तान्यगायता क्षौमं वासपृथुकटितटे बिभ्रति सूत्रनद्धम् पुत्रस्नेहस्नुतकुचयुगं जातकम्पं न च सुभ्रूः रज्ज्वाकर्षश्रमभुजचल कङ्कणो कुण्डले च स्विन्नं वक्त्रं कबरविगलन् मालती निर्ममन्त्र क्षौमं वासपृथुकटितटे बिभ्रति सूत्रनद्धम् पुत्रस्नेहस्नुतकुचयुगं जातकम्पं च सुभ्रूः रज्ज्वाकर्षश्रमभुजचल कङ्कणो कुण्डले च स्विन्नं वक्त्रं कबरविगलत् मालती निर्ममन्त तां स्तन्यकाम आसाद्य मत्नन्ति जननीं हरिः गृहीत्वा दधिमन्थानं न्यषेधत्प्रीतिमावहन् तमङ्कमारूढमापययत्स्तनं स्नेहस्नुतं सस्मितमीक्षति मुखम् अतृप्तमुत्सृज्य जवेन सायया उत्सिच्यमाने पयसि त्वदिश्रिते सञ्जातकोपस्फुरितारुणाधरम् सन्दर्श्य दद्भिर्दधिमन्थभाजनम् भित्त्वा मृषाश्रुदृशदश्मनारहो जघासहय्यङ्गवमन्तरं गतः उत्तार्य गोपे सृषुतं पयः पुनः प्रविश्य सन्दृश्य च दद्यमत्रकम् भग्नं विलोक्य स्वसुतस्य कर्म च जहासतं चापि न तत्र पश्यति उलूकलाङ्ग्रेरुपर्यवस्थितं मर्काय कामं ददतं शुचिस्थितम् हय्यङ्गवं चौर्यविशङ्किते क्षणं निरीक्ष्य पश्चात् सुतमागमच्छनैः तामार्तयष्टिं प्रसमीक्ष्य सत्वरः ततो वरुह्यापससारद्वीतवत् गोप्यन्वधावन्न यमापयोगिनां क्षमं प्रवेष्टुं तपसेरितं मनः अन्वञ्चमाना जननी बृहच्छलत् श्रोणीभराक्रान्तगतिः सुमध्यमा जवेन विस्रंसितकेशबन्धन च्युतप्रसूनागतिपरामृशते कृतागसन्तं प्ररुदन्तमक्षिणी कर्षन्तमञ्जन्मषिणी स्वपाणिना उद्वीक्षमाणं भयविह्वलेक्षणं हस्ते गृहीत्वा विषयन्त्यवागुरत् त्यक्त्वा यष्टिं सुतं भीतं विज्ञायार्भकवत्सला येष किल तं बद्धुं दाम्ना तद्वीर्यकोविदा न चान्तर्न बहिर्यस्य न पूर्वं नापि चापरम् पूर्वापरं बहिश्चान्तर्जगतो यो जगच्चयः तं मत्वात्मजमव्यक्तं मर्त्यलिङ्गम् अधोक्षजम् गोपीकोलूखले दाम्ना बबन्ध प्राकृतं यथा
Dikshna. Tam matva atmajam avyaktam martyalingam adokshajam gopika ulukale damna babanda prakritam yatha. Beautiful darshanam of Yashoda Devi. Kshaumam vasa prutagadidate bibrati sutranadham. You read it so beautifully. She's wearing silken clothes. Kshaumam vasa hai. This churning of butter, there's a huge pot in which there is yogurt and the malai bolte na, that layer is there, and there is a churning rod, and that churning rod has this ropes tied around it, so you have to pull the rope from one side to the other, one side to the other, and the rod will turn, it will churn the butter. Putra sneha, everything. Kayena manasa vacha. Her mouth is singing Krishna Bala Leela. Her mind is thinking of the Bala Leela. Her hand is doing the kainkariam to get butter to give him. Putra sneha. Because she has so much affection for the child. Just like a mother cow, when it thinks of the calf, the milk flows. Similarly, for her, milk is flowing. Jata kampam cha subru. And because she is pulling the rope one side to the other side to the other side, her kinkinis are making noise. Kankanau kundalecha. The ornaments that she's wearing in her hand and the ornaments that is in her ears, everything is making music. They also want to enjoy this worship. So because she's doing Krishna Kirtana, they are providing accompanying music. Kinnam Bhaktram Kavaravigalan Malanti Nirmamanta. From her hair, the flowers are falling down. You've seen that earlier. The flowers feel that I should not be sitting on these gopis' heads. I should be sitting at their feet so that I can be blessed with the Pada Rajas, and that will give me Krishna Bhakti. So, Kinnam Bhaktram. All the flowers, Malathi flowers are falling at her feet, and she is slowly, drops of sweat are coming because she's doing this physical activity. She's sweating a little bit. The beautiful singing, the sound of the churning has woken up this boy, and he wants to drink mother's milk. Tam stanya kama is come, and is hugging his mother from the back. So the mother has stopped the churning, and she has gently brought the baby to her lap, and she is feeding him. Grihitva tamankam arudam apayayat stanam. She is so happy. The child is happy drinking the milk and seeing the mother, and therefore the child is smiling between drinking the milk, and the mother is looking at this child, and that smile of the child is making her so happy that she is smiling. As they are both enjoying, she has kept some milk on the stove. Payasi twadishrite, that is boiling over. That milk is also for this Krishna only. Everything in that house is Krishna Kainkaryam. So she's like, child, wait 1 minute. She kept him down because she has to get the milk off the stove, off the heat. Atriptam utsrujya. Krishna's adjective here is atriptam. He is not fully satisfied with the milk he has drunk. Jivas are atriptas. Paramatma, how can Paramatma be atripta? That is the beauty. He is Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate. He is always complete in himself, but For this affection of the mother, he is atriptam utsrajya. So he is angry. Sanjata kopa. His lips are trembling. Sandasya daddihi dadi mantna bhajanam. He has broken that big pot. He's grabbed water. See, she's been churning, no? So whatever butter is there, hayyangavam. Hayyangavam means butter. Hayyangavam. Antaram gataha. He has taken that. He knows mother is going to be upset that he has broken the pot. So he has gone away from that place. Uttadya Gopi. She has finished her job in the kitchen. She's come back. She's seeing all this. Ye tuta hua hai, wo gira hua hai. So she knows, but she is laughing. Jahasa tam. Jahasa. It's a child, no? So they're enjoying the child's leela. Hasti hai. She's laughing at it. Then she's going to search for it because he's not there. Na tatra pashyati. In another room, they have this stone mortar. It's called ulukala. Mortar, mortar. It's like an hourglass shape, but really big. It's made of stone, pretty heavy. So he's sitting on top of that. Ulukhalangre upari vyavastitam. Previous birth, apparently some monkeys helped him a lot. So he has a soft corner for monkeys. So Markata means monkey. Okay. Markata. But Shukabrahmam is so enjoying the child Leela of Krishna. Children cannot say the full word. They will say only part of the word. So he is already lost in that Krishna Dhyana. So instead of saying Markataya, he's saying Markaya Kamam Dadatam. தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவா குரங்குன்னு வராதான் குழந்தைகளுக்கு கொங்கு அப்படிங்குமா. Similar to that, instead of saying बंदर, बंदर बोलता है ना हिंदी में, वो बच्चे लोग को रा नहीं आएगा तो बंद बंद ऐसा बोलेगा. तो similarly मरकट is मरकाय कामम. So this child is eating a little bit of butter and feeding the butter to all the monkeys. Some monkeys have come. He's feeding the butter to all those monkeys. Hayyangavam. So because this child has stolen and done all these naughty things, the mother has brought one small stick. She wants to scare the child. So she's slowly coming behind him. Prasamikshya. Suddenly he saw this. And he jumped out of the ulukala and started running. Bhitavat, as if he is afraid. It's not really afraid, as if he is afraid. Earlier, you would have seen the shloka. Since Krishna doesn't know what is fear, so he wants to show his mother that he is afraid. So he's thinking, Are kaisa karne ka? How to show that I am afraid? Because he has no clue what being afraid means. So there is a deity who is in charge of fear. His name is Bhaya. So he calls this Bhaya deity. He says, come here, Bhaya, I need you. So Bhaya is scared that, oh, Krishna is calling me. Malum nahi, maine kya galti kiya? So he said, nay, I don't want to come. So he saw the face of Bhaya, which was scared that Krishna was calling him. And so he copied that Bhaya's Bhaya. So this Bhaya was afraid that Krishna is calling him. So whatever feeling he was showing in his face, he copied that feeling and showed it to Yashoda mother. Yashoda mother was running after this child. Shukabrahmam is lost in an experience. He says, so many yogis have been running. So many yogis have been running. Na yam apa yogina. You read that so beautifully. Na yam apa yogina. All these yogis have been running. They have never been able to catch him. How is she going to catch? She's a bit curvy. So She got tired running after this child. Madhyama. So she stopped. Kritagasam. She's now tired, having taken all this effort. Hmm. Haste grihitva. Because she has the stick, she thought this child is really scared. Vijnaya. So she threw away her stick. Tyaktva yashtim sutam beetam vijnaya. Sutam beetam. He acted so well that she thought child is really scared. So she dropped her stick. She said, kuch to karke isko kuch to sikhana padega. It's like too naughty. So maybe today we'll just tie him around this ulukala. Because this ulukala is helping him for all this stealing. He keeps the ulukala, stands on it, and then steals from other houses. So दोनों चोर है, एक चोर दूसरे चोर को दोनों को कैदी कर देते हैं. So she said, I will bind. Again, Shukabrahman is asking, what is this Paramatma Swarupam is everywhere. There is nothing which is out or in for him. Only if there is something as an outside, then you can tie the outside. No. The rest will be, if there will be an outside only when something is inside. If something is everywhere, then you cannot say what is inside, what is outside. Na chantar na bahiryasya na purvam na pichaparam purva param bahischantar jagata yo jagachaya. Entire universe is him only. What are you going to tie him? How are you going to tie him? What are you going to tie him with? You have to find something that is not him. Only then you can tie him with that, no? So all these beautiful thoughts are going on in his head. But all that is for jnanis who know Vishwam Vishnuhu, Vishwakaram, Vishwadharam, Vishwantaryami. All that is for somebody else. This mother is like a very naughty child. I'm going to tie him to this murder. Tam matva atmajam. Atmajam. Gopika ulukale dahamna, trying her best to tie this child with a piece of rope, dhamna.